बीच वाला दबाना है बस.
हाँ हूं ना है ऊपर.
Hi. Today I am making you familiar with this word red tapism. What does it mean? Now, for instance, I have decided to open a restaurant. Now, to open that restaurant, I wake up, I go to the municipal corporation office. I drive my car. In between comes a red traffic signal. I wait there for 15 minutes because it is a rule by the government. I have to wait. Then I proceed further. There is a jam-packed road. Again, I have to stop myself, and somehow or other I reach the municipal corporation office. Little delay owing to traffic, owing to red traffic signals. I reach to the municipal office. I to file to fill the form to grab the license for the restaurant. And now he says, now the municipal office says you need to get this signature to get the license. Once I get the license, they says you also need a health certificate. You need a health certificate. For that I fill various forms, and they says go and get the signature from this to grab the health certificate. Then again I wait for 3-4 months. Then they says there will be a site inspection that will be done. Site inspection in the sense the site inspector will come, they will inspect the site where the restaurant will be open, etc. Then it requires a lot of signature. Then it requires forms, it requires a lot of signature. I go several times. When it will happen, it is not happening. Then finally, when the site inspection happens, they say you also require a pest control certificate. For that also I fill up the form. Then they say you also require a fire safety certificate. Then again, it's the same process. I have to go forms, signatures, etc. So all these formalities, rules, policies that I have to follow, which is laid down by the government to open a restaurant, it's a very lengthy process, and thus my opening of a restaurant gets delayed. So this is known as red tapism. Red tapism simply means things which gets delayed. Why? Because a lot of rules, formalities, policies are involved by the government, and the ones which requires and why tapism means tape. The government, what they do, they make this file and they put a red ribbon or a red tape onto this file. Why? Because it requires a lot of formalities, procedures, signatures, etc. So they take file those work first which are very quicker to do, and the ones which gets delay, a lot of formalities are required, they put a red tape on it. This is what red tapism is all about. Hope you will find. If any queries, please get back to me and wait for my next video. Till then, toodles.